Welcome back. Let's look at how we open Microsoft Excel. For us to be able to use it, we must be able to find it on our computer and open it. The assumption is that Microsoft Excel is installed on your computer already. As you may be aware, Microsoft Office Suite is bought separately. When you buy your computer, it doesn't come installed except the version that is the trial version that usually lasts after the 60 days, and after the 6 days you won't be having Excel on your computer. Assuming you've installed a version of Excel on your computer and you're using Windows 10, you can find Excel by going to your start menu and moving down to E for Excel, and you find Excel here. And for you to be able to access Excel, you just left click once and Excel opens. I'm just going to make sure that it's big here, and Excel opens, and you can either get a blank Excel, or you can decide to take any one of these templates. We'll talk about templates later on in the course. So if you click on a blank worksheet, the blank worksheet will take you to Excel, and you can start using Microsoft Excel. Let me just close this one and look at another way of doing this. If you want to open Excel, again, another way is to click on the start menu. You go to E again for Excel, and you right click on your Excel, and you go here where it says pin to taskbar. I'm going to click on pin to taskbar, and you find that my Excel is now been pinned to my taskbar, and I can open it from my taskbar by just clicking it like that, and it opens again, and I am in Excel. So no matter which method you want to use, you can still be able to get to the same place that I am getting here on this video. And I'll give you one more last way of opening Excel. I'll close this one and go back to start menu and go back to Excel, which is E, and just click it and hold and drag it and drop it on my desktop. And as you can see now, it says Excel 2 because I already had Excel shortcut on the desktop. So I'm going to have to remove this one and take it out of the way. So there are three methods that I've shown you of opening Microsoft Excel, but all the same you get to the same place. So you choose which one is most convenient for you. You may just be going to Excel, the start menu every time and clicking Excel, or you can decide to pin it on the taskbar, or you can decide to put it on your desktop. However, if you don't find Microsoft Excel when you click the start menu here, there is a here where it says type or to search. You can also type Excel and it will be picked immediately, and you can find it here. Now that you know how to open Excel, let's see how we can start using Excel.